What's up everyone? Thanks for tuning in. Right now we are going to make a simple syrup. This is simply liquid sugar. This allows us to precisely measure out exact amounts of sugar with our trusty jigger. And it's just sugar and water. You will also need a measuring cup, a funnel, and a glass bottle. Let's begin by heating up 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water on the stove. Once all the sugar is dissolved, remove from heat and let cool. Your simple syrup should look like this. And here it is. We just made simple syrup. No false advertising here. It really is simple. Bottle, refrigerate, it's good for 2 weeks. All that's left is to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel at Off the Clock Bartender. Until next time.